Guys, I just want to thank you guys. Look, at Sandy and I really want to thank you guys for the comments that you guys have put down on our videos, and we want to thank the new subscribers. We've had a lot of subscribers. It really touches me, and it makes me feel like I'm doing something.
Surprising.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I have to probe John though with this electric thing.
Anyways, listen, with all these comments, and it just makes it worthwhile. I really appreciate it. So let's continue on to the video. But thanks again. Thanks for following. Thank you for the comments. And enjoy. Good morning. Everybody hates the captain. Okay? Sandy hates me. But until I bring her in safely, then everybody loves the captain. And Sandy as well. Okay? That's the way it works. That's the way it works in boating. Okay? The captain's an asshole until the captain gets them home safely. Then everything's okay.
We made it. Good job driving, John.
Did you just say good job, John?
Yes.
Wow.
We just came through like 10, 12-foot waves for the past 4 hours. The adrenaline is now stopped because we're on the inside. So yes, John did a very good job of steering. It was treacherous.
Anyway, Sandy did a great job. Now,
all I did was hang on.
well, and you didn't bother me. That's a big job. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, we no arguing. Like, you know, we just got through it. Like, it takes time to get through this stuff, guys. Like, you just can't, you know, I just can't be there in 10 minutes. It doesn't work that way. It takes hours to get somewhere. And in rough weather, I'm not willing to stress the ability of the Navicula. I'm not going to put the stress on the girl. I mean, like, you know, let her do her job, and she did it well, very well. We're going to be anchoring shortly, and I'll be going over the systems to making sure everything's okay, which everything is okay. I already went down below and checked a few things out.
So we had quite a passage today, and another calm passage. Isn't that awesome? Other than just the tools, everything else is pretty much intact.
Some water, I think, today too, just because I have to make water every 3 days. And we're going to relax, and we'll do some inside passage tomorrow. And we keep moving. I mean, like, I could have stayed in another day at anchor, but guess what? I want to live a little bit, and so, you know what, it was 25, 28 knots of wind out there, and, you know, I'm okay with that. I mean, like, sure, it's higher winds, but I'm okay with that. I mean, it was a little rough, like the waves were 8 to 10 feet for sure, maybe 12, and we made it, and we traveled some. And it was a great experience and an adventure. Remember, this is all about adventure. You know, some people, they want adventure until adventure happens. Then they're like, whoa, I don't want any more adventure. Yeah, this is not for everybody, guys, that's for sure. And anyways, but it can be a lot of fun, a lot. And it can be very rewarding. And I feel blessed. Yeah, I do. I really am blessed. What about you, Sandy? Are you blessed?
Yes, I'm blessed that we made it in here safely. So less.
So, dear, what are you making for dinner tonight? Why don't we have any lights on? What can I eat right now?
Nothing. You have to wait. You had a big lunch.
What did I had a big lunch. Wait a second. What did I have for lunch?
Leftover pasta.
And what did you have for lunch?
Your leftover pasta that you didn't finish eating.
See?
So you don't need anything. You're fine.
What are you doing there? That looks like awful. It's like muck.
It's an OXO cube that's had too much humidity.
Oh my God. And you're going to feed it to me?
Yeah. Well, to myself included. So not just you.
Wow. What are we making?
I'm going to make mashed
Oh, hey, listen, I saw a really cool thing.
homemade mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
And pork chops.
And how you going to... mashed potatoes don't have skin on them. Guys, okay, here we go. Mashed potatoes do not have skin on them. Who does that? Who does that, Sandy?
Right now, I do.
Okay, mashed potatoes have no skin on them. Sandy mashes the potatoes with skin on them. Oh, I mean, that's not a mashed potato.
It's a healthier option, though.
Says who? Sandy?
That's where all the nutrients are, is under the skin, just like a carrot. When you peel a carrot, you peel away all the nutrients.
And
Same thing.
So why do you buy those little baby carrots that are always peeled?
I don't buy them very often because
What?
they suck. Once in a blue moon, I usually buy the whole carrots because they are so expensive. For convenience, I'll buy the little baby carrots, but they get soggy and soft so fast. They're terrible.
They get this slime on them, you're right.
Yeah, they're awful.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, I want to hear it, okay? Skin on your mashed potatoes? No. Or without skin?
It doesn't matter.
What?
It doesn't matter.
It hugely matters. Okay?
Well, actually, if you make good mashed potatoes, it shouldn't matter at all. So if you're making lousy mashed potatoes, then you need the skins off.
The best mashed potatoes I've ever had in my life were on Mount Everest at Navicula.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and they served these hot mashed potatoes with applesauce on them. Oh my God! Now they didn't have the skin on them either.
And goat cheese, like so much goat cheese.
Goat cheese,
They
yeah,
were phenomenal.
they were the best. Okay, try. You know what? Why don't we have that? Why can't you replicate that? Why don't you do something for me?
You get way too much done for you, and you're just a spoiled brat.
Okay, all right. Listen again. With or without skin, mashed potatoes. Leave it in the comments.